With iMovie, let's edit the video. Hello, this is Kiriko-san. This video introduces a simple way to edit video using iMovie, a video editing program that is installed on the iPhone. Just by watching this video, anyone with an iPhone can easily create a video and become a YouTuber. Of course, the important thing is repeated practice, right? If you watch this video and edit it with footage you shot yourself, you will find yourself becoming a great video director at some point. So shall we begin? 1. Take a picture. You can adjust the video resolution and frame rate with the numbers at the top left of the screen. By tapping the quick toggle in the top right corner, you can switch between 2 or 4 recording in 24, 25, 30, or 60 fps. If you increase the resolution and, for example, shoot in 4K, the capacity increases and the quality is good. But editing becomes slower if it is too bright. The video looks artificial, and if the lighting is used incorrectly, the video quality is poor. Feel free to adjust it yourself and create a video that suits you. The iPhone has good video quality, so shooting in it is often sufficient. If you increase the frame rate, you can shoot smooth videos. You can adjust the zoom magnification with the numbers on the right side of the screen. Dividing the video into 5 or 10 minutes and saving it is less error-prone and easier to edit. 2. Preparing to edit. If you look at the first screen, you will see Magic Movie, Storyboard, and Video. Go to the video. If you look at this side, there are 3 dots. If you save the project you are working on by saying Import Project, you can take it out and edit it on your iPhone, iPad, or MacBook at any time. If you go to Explore, you can also use projects in Google Drive or OneDrive. Import a video. Go to the video and select it when the screen appears. When we get into the new project, here's a video. Just click on the sources one by one to import them. You can also import photos. Just import it and press the Create Video button. The editing screen will start. Slide the screen to the side to see it playing. Press the play button to play. The reverse play button just to the left of the play button moves to the previous clip. Even while editing, you can press the plus button to import additional content you want to import. Three. Editing. Now let's start the real editing. Press and hold a video to change the order. Press and hold a video or photo to change the order. Move it to the desired location. View the video for a long time to make it easier to edit. If you stretch the content with 2 fingers, it will expand. Cut Edit. Find the part you want to edit in the section you want, then press Divide to divide it into two. Duplicate a clip. Duplicate a clip, select a clip and click Duplicate. To delete, press the Delete button. When you press Separate to separate video and sound, a no sound icon will appear. If you delete a sound with the sound separated, the sound will not be included in the deleted part. This is useful when changing narration or background music. Adjusting the speed of the video. If you press the speedometer next to the scissor symbol, you will see a turtle and a rabbit. The speed of the video increases as you move closer to the rabbit. Adjusting the volume. You can adjust the video sound by pressing the volume button. Inserting letters. Shall we add letters? Press Tit. Let's add a dramatic title. You can select a font by pressing A. You can also specify a color by clicking the circle next to it. You can add the desired text by clicking on the text and then pressing Edit. Click the Done button to complete. Adding filter effects to each cut. Click the Filter button to access various filters. You can apply the filter you want by adjusting the bar above. Let's use the Screen Transition button to add a screen transition effect. When you press the button, click None on the far left to skip without editing. It will be applied when you select a theme, dissolved slide, etc. If you increase the 0.5 seconds at the bottom left to 1 second and 1.5 seconds, the screen switching speed will also become slower. How to apply a filter to the entire project. When you click the gear-shaped icon, the project settings screen will appear. At the top there is something called a project filter. Here you can apply filters to the entire video. The theme can also be adjusted. Insert sound. You can find audio by pressing the plus button in the center left. Click the audio button and click soundtrack to select and insert music provided by iMovie. In addition to the soundtrack, you can also add music or music effects from your iPhone. When uploading to YouTube, there are many cases where existing music cannot be monetized due to copyright issues, so you should keep this in mind when uploading. You can also adjust the volume by pressing sound. Divide sound sections. If you want to remove or reduce the sound by creating a section, press Divide. After dividing, you can delete it or make the volume smaller. You can also move the sound by pressing and holding it. By pressing this back button, you can go back to the previous edit you made. Can burn effect. This is an effect that automatically zooms in and out when a photo is uploaded to a video. You can activate or deactivate it with one click. Adjusting photo time. When uploading a photo to a video, you can adjust the time by moving the bar. Unfortunately, iMovie does not allow time control for content that was originally a video. Fade in and fade out settings for the entire video. You can adjust the fade in and fade out of the video by pressing the gear button. If a gradient-like icon appears on the video, it has been applied. Enter a video name. Click the video name to edit the name. If you click the trash can, the project will be deleted, so be careful. You can watch the video by pressing the play button. Outputting the produced video. Once video editing is complete, press the Done button, and then press the Export button if you want to output the video. When you press Share Video, you can save it, make notes and copy it. Even after completion, you can continue editing by pressing the Edit button again. Now it's time to practice. If you practice it about 5 times, you will get the hang of it. The video ends here. Thank you all for your hard work.